with it. Somebody gonna do with all this water. Man, people in here feel like damn water. Yeah. Boy, you can swim in that shit. D-Head say do not swim in that shit. Hell yeah, I'm getting this footage. Boy, that shit got... Boy, D-Head say don't swim in this water. For all y'all little slow kids.